is my reality, a sad irrationality. When heart, what is this I see? Another square root of a three is quietly come waltzing by. Together now we multiply, form a number we prefer, rejoicing as an integer. We break free from our mortal bonds, and with the wave of magic wands, our square root signs become love for me has been remitted. Look, I can't promise you the kind of lifestyle that Colton could. And I can't promise you that I'm going to mature overnight.